but she did.
Okay.
And that's how it got over there.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to find you guilty. And I want to let you know that I read all of the reports. I read the PSI. I listened to your testimony. I always see people as people. I don't see people as criminals. I look at people as people. And then I try to make the best decision with the information I have. That's the reason why I was asking your counsel certain questions, because I want it to be cleared up in my mind so I can make a decision that I deem would be appropriate. So I'm going to find you guilty. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with minors, and I'm going to sentence you to 45 years in the prison. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes.
All right. All right. We can go off the record. Here's the thing. Your counsel will probably tell you, I've done child protective services cases before, and I understand that sometimes children are brought into horrible situations. Sometimes children don't have good parents. Sometimes the parents are not only just imperfect, they're not good parents. And I read Dr. Murphy's report on you, and I saw that there was CPS involved in your life when you were a child. There was CPS involvement when you were having children as a child. So I want to let you know I understand all that. But at the end of the day, when you think about Mercedes, nobody ever will know what she was going to do with her life. Who knows? Maybe that was the person who was going to find the cure of cancer. We'll never know, because she is no longer here. Or maybe she was going to find the cure for something else. Or maybe do great things. You just never know with children. Hopefully make good decisions. All right?
Yes. And we do have victim impact.
One?
One.
All right. Ms. Mendoza, victim impact, they're just going to speak to you. I require that everybody treats everybody like a human being and with respect. So if you'll just listen, and they will be respectful. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. I was at great friend, and I want you to know what you take very good care of. They have asked me to write something about how it affected the family, but I decided not to do that. I have decided to write of what I have heard Jordan tell me during the time she has been with me, of how it has impacted her. These are the things that she has shared with me. She has shared with me. I wonder why my mommy allowed this to happen to my sister. Grandma, I cannot sleep at night because I see my sissy being tortured. Not using that word, but being hurt, being hit. Grandma, I don't understand why we didn't leave Jose. Grandma, I am so afraid that my mom will come one day and take me back to Jose's house. Grandma, I love my mommy, but I'm afraid. I'm afraid that one day she will come and something might happen to me like my sister. Grandma, please, Grandma, don't let them take me away. I want to stay with you. Grandma, I do love my mommy, and I do pray for her, and she does it. Grandma, I have been told in school, or I have been told by other children, is your mama a killer? Did she kill my sister? How has it affected Jordan? This is how. And it will affect her for the rest of her life because you are her mother. And she never expected this to happen from her mother. So I hope that, yes, I hope that God has mercy upon your life. And God will reach you because you're going to need it.
And deputies, could you bring out Blas Hernandez?